Let's dive into drawing a jellyfish. First, let's create the round head. Doesn't it look like a triangle bell? And add a smile and some friendly eyes. Jellyfish are always smiling. Don't forget those adorable cheeks. Now, let's draw those wavy lines below. It's just like drawing gentle waves in the sea. Next up, those long wavy lines below the body are the tentacles of our jellyfish friend. Keep adding more wavy lines. Steady hands. Our jellyfish friend kind of looks like an umbrella. There we go. Perfect. Now let's sketch a big capital J and a little lowercase j. You're doing great. Time to spell out the word. J E L L Y. Yes, jelly. It's named after jelly because of its jelly-like texture. But remember, as pretty as they look, jellyfish can sting, so we need to be careful around them. Now, on to the fun part, coloring. Let's pick this lovely purple color. It's called violet. Make sure every spot gets a splash of color. We'll color the J. Now, let's color the body of our jellyfish. There. Don't forget the tentacles, but let's leave the sleeves for now. We'll color those in later a different shade. Now, color the eyes in black. Same thing for the word jellyfish. Wow, look at that. It's ready to dance through the ocean waves with a swish. Oh, but wait, we're not finished yet. Let's color in the rest with this bright purple hue. Be careful not to color over the head. Oh, absolutely beautiful! Absolutely beautiful! Thanks for coloring with us today. See you next time for more fun adventures!